Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? Stuart here from Spain Speaks, and that up there on the wall is my new security camera. The good people at Reolink have been kind enough to send me the model Argus Track to check out, and that's what I'm going to be talking about today, as well as security in general here in Spain when it comes to owning a home. So let's have a little bit of a chat about that, starting with the unboxing of that product. So let's go. Okay, now let's start with the unboxing. We have the two products here. We have the Argus Track dual lens PTZ wire-free battery cam, and we also have the Reolink solar panel, and we can see that do not accept if the seal is broken. The seal is not broken, so let's quickly break the seal if we can. There we go. We'll do the same thing here with this one, breaking the seal, and let's open the products up. We'll start with the camera, get it out of the box, and we'll open this one up as well, the solar panel 2. Let's take this out, note out the instructions. Let's see what we get in here. So we have the quick start guide. Thank you very much. We'll put that over there. I'll be coming back to that a little bit later when I get it installed. And here we can see the camera, protective covering. Let's take it out of the box. In fact, we'll take the whole lot out of the box here. Put the box over there. So here we can see the camera in question, the Reolink 4K. Fairly light, not sure what the exact weight is, but I'll go into the tech specs a little bit later. But we can see that we've got here a USB port where you can charge this battery operated camera, also operating with the solar panel, of course. So both options there, and we've got the dual lens as we can see here. So let's put that down. We'll also take out the, I imagine that it connects to this when it is installed. We also have a USB cable, we have screws, and we also have some type of strap here to tether the camera, no doubt. Now we'll put that aside and we'll move on to the solar panel. Be prepared, be Reolink, the slogan as we can see. And here are the operating instructions for the solar panel. Now again, we'll put those over there because we're going to get this set up and we're going to need those instructions a little bit later on. So here's the solar panel. Let's take it out of the box, see what we've got. So again, we've got a USB charger. Not sure what that is. We'll put that down over here. We've got a stand which obviously connects the solar panel when it's in a place where there's lots of sun. Now the idea, I'm just going to turn it around and point the camera. Now the idea is to go up where that light is. I'm not sure if you can see the light there, but the idea is to put the solar panel up there and also the security camera so that I am controlling this outdoor area here with the camera in question, this little thing here. So what do we got? So we've got that. Again, we've got another USB cable connector here, some type of metal support, more screws, and we have another strap here to tether. Not sure what that's for, but I'm sure that the instruction guide will tell us. So the idea, as I said, to put the camera up here, to have control of this outdoor area here, and we're going to see if the camera quality is any good, and if indeed this solar panel takes advantage of all of the sun that we have here in this back patio area in my garden. So that's going to be the challenge. Now when it comes to home security here in Spain, there are various options that you can choose from. For example, it's very common to see this type of thing on windows and doors here in Spain, iron bars. A lot of people choose this type of thing as a way to keep intruders out, but as we can see, quite ugly. You could also get a guard dog to try and keep intruders out, but I don't know how successful this particular dog would be at keeping unwanted people away. You could hire a security company to keep your property safe, but it's going to cost you a lot of money in monthly fees. Or you could whack up different security cameras around your place and keep the property safe that way. Now when it comes to installing this camera, very easy. I'm not the most handy person going around, but I found installing the camera incredibly easy. A few screws in the wall for both the camera and the solar panel, and Bob's your uncle. So when it comes to installation, very, very easy indeed. Now the Argus Track is a wireless security camera that offers 4K 8 megapixel Ultra HD resolution. The camera pans, tilts and has 6 times hybrid zoom. Dual band Wi-Fi is another pro, offering both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz options, so you can always connect to a fast Wi-Fi. There's a built-in microphone which allows you to hear what's going on outside. The spotlight is a feature I really like. It turns on and off when a moving object is detected. And there's also an alarm that can be triggered from the app. Night vision is surprisingly good. You can choose between color night vision and black and white vision. You can live view the camera from anywhere through the app. Setting up the camera was really easy. You download the app, follow the instructions, and away you go. And the app itself is also really easy to use. The camera is also compatible with Google Assistant, so you can add it to your smart home network. Reolink offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, free shipping, and there's also good online support should you have issues. So, time for my final thoughts on the Argus Track security camera from Reolink. And I reckon it's a good quality, affordable security camera that offers excellent video quality at a decent price. And currently it's retailing for under 200 euros. So when it comes to price quality ratio, a definite thumbs up. Is this camera for everyone? Well, obviously not. If you're a person that has a Rolls Royce in the garage, 10 Rolexes upstairs, and also a lot of cash at home, maybe this is not the camera for you. You probably need a more sophisticated system, maybe a hardwired system, one that doesn't depend on Wi-Fi, because if the Wi-Fi cuts out, so will this camera. But if you're like me and you don't have all of those things and you just want to keep an eye on an outdoor space like this one, whether it's at the back of your property or the front of your property, or even put a camera like that indoors, you can also do that, then I reckon that the Argus Track will suit your needs. So that's my review of this security camera, the Argus Track security camera by the people at Reolink. Full disclosure, there is an affiliate link in the section below, in the description section below, and if you click on that link and buy this camera, I will get a small commission. So full disclosure there. But as I said, I reckon this is a good camera. The image quality is excellent. It works well. It was easy to set up. The app was easy to set up as well, and it's easy to control from the app too, and plenty of features built in. So a good product for a good price, in my opinion. Now that's the end of the video. Questions and comments, please leave them in the section below. If you have anything to add to the conversation today, please, the comment section is the place for you. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego from Madrid.